Hello friends, this is example number 9.1. A rod has radius of 10 mm. Radius R is given equals to 10 mm, 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And length of rod is given 1 meter. Length is given 1 meter. A 100 kilonewton force is applied to stretch the rod. Value of force is given 100 kilonewton, that is equals to 100 into 10 to the power 3 Newton, which is equals to 10 to the power 5 Newton. We have to calculate stress, elongation and strength. And we are also given that Young's modulus of elasticity is 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. First, in A part we will calculate stress. Stress is sigma equals to force upon area. Force upon area of wire is pi r square. So, we will put the value of force. Value of force is 10 to the power 5. Pi has value 3.14 and radius equals to 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Second, elongation and strain. First, we calculate strain. We know that Young's modulus equals to stress upon strain. So, strain equals to stress upon Young's modulus. First, in part A, you calculate the value of stress and then put the value of y in this formula. You will get the strain. And in part C, we have to calculate strain. Strain equals to delta L. How we will calculate strain? First, we know that the strain equals to delta L upon L, and elongation will becomes delta L equals to epsilon into L. In part B, we will calculate epsilon and L is already given. So by multiplying these two values, we will calculate delta L.